everyone. Today we're diving into situational idioms, unique phrases that bring life to your conversations by perfectly matching specific scenarios. These idioms add a layer of richness and relatability to everyday language. Ready to see how they transform basic English? Let's begin. Idiom 1. Bite the bullet. This idiom means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. He decided to accept the painful truth and deal with it. With the idiom, he had to bite the bullet and apologize for his mistake. It conveys a sense of bravery in challenging circumstances. Idiom 2. Burn the midnight oil. This idiom means to work late into the night. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. She stayed up late working on her project. With the idiom, she burned the midnight oil to finish the presentation. The idiom emphasizes hard work and dedication. Idiom 3. Spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret, often unintentionally. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. He accidentally revealed the surprise. With the idiom, he spilled the beans about the surprise party. The idiom adds a playful tone to the situation. Idiom 4. Out of the blue. This means something happened unexpectedly or without warning. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. The idea suddenly came to him. With the idiom, out of the blue, he came up with a brilliant idea. The idiom adds an element of surprise. Idiom 5. Let the cat out of the bag. This means to reveal a secret, often unintentionally. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. I accidentally told her about the promotion before it was announced. With the idiom, I let the cat out of the bag about her promotion before it was announced. The idiom adds a colorful twist to the scenario. Idiom 6. A blessing in disguise. This idiom refers to something that seems bad initially, but turns out to be beneficial. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. Losing the job helped him find a better opportunity. With the idiom, losing his job turned out to be a blessing in disguise. It highlights hidden benefits in adversity. Idiom 7. Get the ball rolling. This idiom means to start something or initiate a process. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. We should begin preparing for the event. With the idiom, let's get the ball rolling on the event preparations. It adds energy and enthusiasm to starting tasks. Idiom 8. Throw someone under the bus. This idiom means to betray someone for personal gain or to avoid blame. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. He blamed his colleague to avoid getting into trouble himself. With the idiom, he threw his colleague under the bus to save himself. The idiom adds dramatic imagery to the act of betrayal. Idiom 9. A storm in a teacup. This idiom describes making a big deal out of a small problem. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. They are overreacting to a minor issue. With the idiom, their argument about the seating arrangement was just a storm in a teacup. The idiom adds humor to overreactions. Idiom 10. The tip of the iceberg. This idiom means only a small part of a much larger problem or situation is visible. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. This is just a small part of the problem we're dealing with. With the idiom, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The real challenges are yet to come. It conveys depth and complexity. That's it. 10 dynamic situational idioms to energize your English and make your conversations shine. Now it's your turn. Choose one idiom and weave it into a real-life conversation this week. Drop your example in the comments. I can't wait to see how you bring these expressions to life. See you in the next video. Thank you.